Welcome to Accu Webhosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to change Forex VPS password. Before we begin, take a look at accuwebhosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@accuwebhosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Here, we assume that you are logged into your Forex VPS. For your information, we are logged into our demo Forex VPS with an administrator user. We have used Windows Server 2012 R2 OS as an example. You can use these steps to change the password of the Forex VPS RDP user in all Windows Server OS. In order to change the password, go to the taskbar and click on the Windows Start button. After then click on the Control Panel option. Once you click on it, one new window will be opened with the name Control Panel. Go to the User Accounts section and click on the Change Account Type link. By clicking on it, one window will be opened with the name Manage Accounts. Here, you can see the users which you have created or created by your service providers. Select the user of which you want to change the password. Here, we have selected an administrator user as an example. Click on it. Once you click on it, one window will be opened with the name Change an Account. Click on the Change the Password link. By clicking on it, one window will be opened with the name Change Password. In the field Current Password, you have to enter the current password of the user. Here, we want to change the password of the administrator user, so we need to enter the current password of the administrator user. In the New Password field, enter the password which you want to set. For your information, the password should be a combination of the uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers and special characters. A weak password is easily cracked by the hacker. In the Confirm New Password, you have to enter the same password which you have entered in the New Password field. This field is optional. It will help you remember your password if you forgot it. On another hand, it may also open a door for others to crack your password. Hence, we request you to use password hints with caution if you use your VPS or server in public. Here, we have eliminated it due to security reasons. Click on the Change Password button to save it. Once you click on it, you will get this window. It means that you have successfully changed the password of the administrator user. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to change Forex VPS password. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by accuwebhosting.com. Thank you for watching.